Morning from the old man in Texas. Let me clear my throat here a little bit. Right now we're in the midst of a kind of a real rainstorm down here. We've had 2 days of it. We've got some flooding in the area where I'm at. Nothing really serious, just on the intersections. It's not really a good idea to be running around. You can get into the middle of an intersection. Don't look deep, but it's deeper than what one would think, and next thing you know, your car's floating away. So it looks like me and the wife are going to stay home today and more or less play it by ear and rearrange our schedule to whatever we have to get things done. Oh boy, at least we got a movie to look at. So it's just play it by ear, and I've included a little video clip here of the rain and some of the pictures. Makes life interesting here in Texas. It really rains when it rains here. Now you all have a good day. Try to stay dry if it's raining. Don't take any wooden nickels. And that's all from the old man in Texas today. You all have a good day.
Well, we've got a good rain coming this time. We also have tornado warnings out. They're not quite in our part of the county yet, but it's getting fairly close. This is getting pretty heavy this way. As you can see, the downspouts are gushing out pretty good amount of water. So we definitely have rain here. Definitely have rain. That's about it.